Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to source for honest reviews and standout products you never knew you needed. Today, we're reviewing what just might be the best baby shower dress maternity photo shoot outfit for 2025. Let me introduce you to the OUGES Women's Summer Maternity Dress. If you're a mom to be looking for something stylish, breathable, and designed with both comfort and elegance in mind, this dress should absolutely be on your radar. This piece from OUGES is a perfect harmony of bohemian flair and practical maternity fashion. At first glance, it's the flowy design and delicate details that stand out. It features a smocked bodice that offers a snug but stretchy fit, beautifully accommodating your growing bump. The square neckline flatters the collarbone, giving a clean, graceful frame to your upper body. And let's not overlook the ruffled sleeves, a small detail that adds a lot of charm, while also helping to shape the arms and shoulders in a flattering way. The fabric combination is thoughtfully chosen. The outer layer is a blend of terylene and cotton, while the lining is made of soft polyester. This ensures the dress is not just cute, but also comfortable and non-transparent, so you don't have to worry about layering or show-through. It's light enough to wear on a warm day but still offers enough structure to feel substantial and elegant. What makes this dress even more versatile is its multi-scene usability. It's designed for those picture-perfect maternity photo shoots, of course. But it transitions seamlessly to baby showers, gender reveal parties, or even a nice brunch with family. Throw on some heels or cute flats, and you're ready to make a statement. Let's talk about sizing. The brand offers everything from small to XX large, with bust measurements ranging from about 29 to 39 inches. The dress does run long, especially if you're under 5 feet 2 inches, but that length makes it perfect for full body photos and those dramatic twirls. And here's a tip from the brand: if you're in between sizes, they recommend sizing down, as the dress is very forgiving with its stretchy smocking. That's a huge win, especially when you're juggling a busy schedule during pregnancy. The colors are vibrant yet classy, with the pink version offering that sweet, feminine glow that's perfect for any baby shower or spring photo shoot. But there are other shades too, like sky blue and white, each offering a different vibe, from dreamy and soft to bold and elegant. This dress also represents the values OUGES as a brand stands for. Their entire collection is built around thoughtful designs that work through pregnancy and beyond. So you're not just investing in a single-use outfit, but a piece that can accompany you through multiple milestones. From a style standpoint, it gives that romantic, ethereal look you often see in maternity magazines. But the real win here is that it feels as good as it looks. Whether you're posing for pictures, hosting your baby shower, or just taking a stroll, this dress supports you every step of the way. To wrap it up, the OUGES 2025 Summer Maternity Dress is more than just a fashion choice. It's a celebration of motherhood, confidence, and comfort. At just under $60, it's a stylish steal that offers premium feel without the luxury price tag. If you're a mom-to-be or shopping for someone special, this dress is a no-brainer. You can find it on Amazon. Just check the link in the description. And remember, the best clothes aren't just worn, they're lived in, through every magical moment of your journey. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more smart product breakdowns. See you next time.